Hey guys, I'm here with Deborah in Cocoa, Florida. Deborah, what made you buy from Hippo today?
I needed my roof replaced, and it's a very expensive project, and I have researched a number of different roofing companies, and they really didn't offer financing, and financing is a big thing for me. Hippo is leader, its founder is a veteran, and veterans need our giving back to them in whatever little way we can. The sales rep was amazing. I've had a head injury and I hit my head recently again, so Alex just spent hours with me, not just half an hour, 45 minutes. So that was awesome, but they guarantee a lifetime worth of work. They come back and check and inspect and do whatever they have to. It's a lifetime warranty, and I can pass that warranty on either in a will or to the next possible buyer. So Hippo is where you people need to find your roofing company.
Oh, well, thank you so much. All right, enjoy your day, Miss Deborah.
Okay, God bless.